Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
So on the previous video, Karthik did Independence Day special drawing.
So in this video, Siddharth is going to show you how to solve.
The Rubik's Cube.
So Siddharth is going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, before watching the video, go down and click the subscribe button.
And don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to click the
Bell icon. And remember to follow us on Facebook.
And the link is on the description below. So please follow us on Facebook.
So now let's get started.
Okay, now let's see how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Before I explain, I will solve it. See, now I have solved it. Okay, now step 1. You have to solve one color of your wish. Any color. Okay, now first color is finished. Now we have to solve the first row. Here, only this. Remember, only this row. Okay, now I will explain how to solve the first row. Okay, first you have to remember that always yellow color's opposite color is always white, and then red's opposite color is always orange, and green's always opposite color is blue. So you have to remember that. Now see, here you have to get all one color, like here you can get green, blue or anything. So now see, here two are green, so we have to get here green. So where is green? It is here, so it have to come here. So first you have right side, you have to down it, and then to down left side, and then this to up, and now this should go to here. So see, now this should come here. So now what you have to do it, you have to down left side, and then right down, and then down right side, and then right side up. See, you can see 3 came, same green. Now you have to put this to here, like this. See, down it came. Now you can see it is over. So you have to remember that. See, it is all finished. You have to remember that here it is red, so here all should be red. Here it is orange, so all should be orange. You have to see only this and this. Okay, now here we have to get red. Where is red? Red is here, so it have to go here. It should come here. So middle one down, and left side it should be up, and then it should go here. See, so right side, and then down, and then down right side, and then up. It should be here. So now you can see first row is finished. Now step 3. Okay, in step 3 you have to solve the second row. So how to solve the second row? I will explain you. So first you have to turn this. See, white should be go down, so you have to do like this. So now you have to only concentrate on this middle one. See, here this. So it should go to blue one, it should go to red, it should go to green, it should go to orange. So now see, so it came, so all are came. So now what you have to do is, see, here we did white, so remember that yellow should not be there on any case. Okay, now see, you can see that in this two yellow is not there, so here is red. Red should go to red place. So where is red? Here. See? So it should go to red's place. Now green. Green is where side? Right side. So with right hand, left side, and then right upside, and then with left hand, right side, and then right hand down, and then with left hand, right side, and then front, left side, and then with right hand, left side, and then again front to left side. Now you can see this is over, this and this. So now here yellow is there, so no, here yellow is not there in these two. So here it is green, so green should go to green's place. Where is green? Here is the green. So this 1 and 2, see green's place, it came to green's place, and then here it is orange, so orange is in right side. So same 1 to left side, right side to left, and then second step right to up, and then left with left, right side, and then right side down, and then with left hand, right side, and then front one is to left side, and then right to left, and then right to right. So you can see this second row is over. So we have to get here orange, blue, here blue and red. Okay, so now let's see. See, here orange, here blue. So there is no yellow, so we can do, see, blue is on right side, so with right hand, right to left, same, right with up, and then left to right, and then right down, and then left, right side, and then front to left side, and then right to left, and with right hand, right side. So now you can see this row also finished, this row finished, and now this came. So now we have to get only here blue and here red, and everything is over. So now how to get? So here yellow is there, no. Here also yellow is there, no. Here yellow is there, no. Here red and here blue, so we can do. So where is blue? It is on the left side. So with left hand to right side, and then with left hand 1 up, and then with right hand to left side, and then left with down, and then you have to with right hand left side, and then front to right side, and then with left hand up to right side, and then again front to right side, and then you can
left side
front to left side. Okay, now you can see this second row is now completed. Now step 4. So on this step 4 we have to get here orange, because this is all orange. So we have to get similar color on similar places. See here blue, red, like that. Okay, now set. See here green, so set. Okay, now is the step. So what we have to do is, here yellow is there, so we have to take it, and then front to right side, and then right to up, and then with right hand to left side, and then right down, and then with left hand to right side, and then this front to left side. Now set. See, okay, set green. Okay, now see here yellow is there, so we have to do is again same step to right side, and then right up to right to left, and then right down, and then with left to right side, and then
now
front
step
again
5.
to
On this step,
left side.
we have to solve all
So
these
now
corners.
you can see here blue, okay, here red, here green, here orange. So there is no yellow color, so we can get here orange, here green, here red, like that. Okay, set everything. See, you can see here came green, orange, here blue, here red. So we get all those colors. Now we have to solve this, this, this and this. Okay, step 5. On this step we have to solve the corners. So on this step, these three colors should similar to this color, and this color. So for example, see here yellow is there here, but red is not the here or here. Green is also not the here or here, so it is not here. Yellow is there here, but red is not there here or here. Blue also. Yellow is there, blue is not there, or green is not there here or here. Yellow is there here, but blue or orange is not there here or here. Here also, see, yellow is there, green or orange not there here or here. So what we have to do is, okay, now put any color of your right hand and then with left hand up, and then with right hand left side, and then with right hand up, and then again with left hand to right side, and then left down, and then with right hand to left, and then right down, and then up to right side. Now you can see this color is finished. But for some times, now again see here, yellow is there here, but red is not there, green is not there. Put this to right hand side, and then again same, left up, right hand to left side, up again right hand with up, and then left hand to right side, and then left down, and then right to left side, and then right down, and then upper part. That's, see, you can see all colors like this. But sometimes it will come like this. So sometimes these three colors will similar to these three colors. So you can see here yellow, see here yellow, red is, orange is there here, and then green is there here. So like that all will match. See here also. Now what we have to do is this very big step. You have to remember this. This very big. So now first this right side down, and then down to left side, and then right up, and then down to right, and then right down, right to left side, and then right up, and then down to right side, and then up down to left side, and then right up, and then down to right side, and then up down, and then right to left, and then right up. See, you have to get like this. So like that. Now after drawing like this, remember that down should you have to do down to right side. Remember that. After doing like this, right side, and then do up down, and then right, left side, and then right to up, and then right side down, and then right down side, and then right to left side up, and then right side. Remember that. And then you're finished. And now same method. Do the same method to every corner. So you will get the all colors. I say it is solved. Okay, thanks for watching.